doing a video.
You're doing a video, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
You're doing a video?
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Tsahi here with another video, another entry of my series called Plain and Makeup. It's going to be just a very simple video. I'm going to get right into it. It's featuring some makeup I saw. I would want to call it drugstore makeup because it was technically pretty much in a drugstore. It's called Sunkissed, and the Sunkissed, what is Ultraviolet Brights. And I also have the fluorescent glow. Yes. Cream. Come get me. It's especially the quads. I find that it's a bit, especially when you have little nails, it's a little bit of a challenge to open. Yeah, so just some mattes and a little bit of satin shades. I used this already and I was quite impressed with the quality, yeah? So I was like, you know what, I have to come and show you all. Let's see how this goes. This is Ultraviolet Brights. A little bit. Let's swatch it. So it is a matte with some little reflex in it. With fluorescent glow, I used it. Yeah, so you see some mattes. Oh, and I also have a bronzer. There isn't even a shine. I could use this as a powder. This little lip liner and this mini lip gloss. I'm gonna be using some eye brushes that I purchased from Selfish Cosmetics right here in Trinidad. It came in this little packet. It's just lip brushes. It's just, my bad, it's just eyeshadow brushes, and it's called Girls Need Love. I'll link their Instagram handle below if you want to check them out. It was pretty affordable, like I think $1.50 or something like that. So you can never have enough eyeshadow brushes. That's what I think, and that's how it is. I may go into both of these palettes. See how these brushes work. Let me see if it, before I tell all you about buying it, let me see if it makes any sense, eh? So just going into this color here first. And we're just gonna go into the so I would have already primed my face, put on the base, I did my eyebrows and all of that stuff. And this was just one dip into the eyeshadow. I didn't even have to go back into the eyeshadow to get this much color payoff. So brush is not bad so far. I'm gonna take a bit of this blue as well. So yeah, the color payoff is not bad at all. It blends well. So if you're looking for, I would recommend, if you're looking for affordable makeup, and I got this in Superpharm. Yeah, so they sell in Superpharm. I'm not sure if they sell anywhere else, so I've always seen it and I always wondered about it. So the next thing I would want to try is their blushers and the highlighters, because they have some really pretty highlighters. I always open it and like, oh, this is pretty, should I buy this? I'm gonna get it. Right, so let us go into this palette. This is the fluorescent glow, And let's see how I'm gonna take a little bit of this pink and put it right here. See, on half of my lid. A few times I would have browsed in Superpharm and just watching the makeup. It wasn't expensive. It was always attractive. The prices were always attractive. It's not focusing, geez. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Hopefully not a hot mess. I just wanted to use as much color as possible to let's see if the color payoff is, you know, worth it. So far, yeah, it is. I would say it is. And these brushes so far, the ones I'm using so far, I'm impressed because I didn't pay a pound on a crown and I wanted extra eyeshadow brushes. I mean, I have some obviously, but like I said before, you could never have enough. And I really wanted some flat ones to practice my cutting crease and stuff. I don't really do that much, but in the next makeup look I'll try to do a glam eyeshadow and cut crease and all of that stuff. Anyway, for the duct area, we're gonna do something very different. I'm gonna use this very matte fluorescent, what's that, fluorescent green. What is for that? I'm gonna use this brush just for the corners. Okay, I'm not getting much color payoff for this one, but in future, if you want to get more color payoff, what you can do is go in with your base or some concealer just in that corner alone. Just blot a bit, let it dry just a little bit, and then go in with your shade, and you will get the color payoff that you're looking for. I do not have that in front of me, and honestly I'm too lazy to go get up and pick it up, so we'll work with this for now. But that's just a little tip. And for under my brow, I'm gonna go in with this shade on top here, just ever so lightly. Right, so for the under, I'm gonna go back in with the purple and the blue. Which one am I gonna do first? I'm gonna go in with the blue first. I'm using a flat brush to do that. So this is what the completed eye looks like. Not bad for drugstore makeup, y'all. You know? Not bad at all. I'm just going back in with this green just to intensify the inner corner, the tear duct area. Yep. And this is basically it. Let me just go and finish, put on my eyelashes and powder up and stuff, and we'll finish up with the lips. Be right back. Right, so I'm back. Eyelashes on. Put on a little blush and some highlighter, and for that I used my Fumi Queen palette, and I just used a little bit of this color for my blush, and my highlighter I used my trusty Milani highlighter. I had this for a few years. It's called Strobe Light Sunset Glow Luminescent Cushion. Whatever that means. quite pretty, quite pretty. Guys, let me tell you something about ladies and the monthly time of the month. Mother Nature does it to us all the time. It's like I was going so well with my skincare and then boom, breakouts everywhere. Anywho, so to wrap up the lips, I'm gonna go in with this. I'm just gonna fill in most of the lip with this as I'm not using lipstick, and it's a very light lip gloss. And just gonna put a bit on my fingers because why not? Oh! Okay. It had more color than I thought. It's like a... See that? Oh! I'm not gonna use... So, oh! Yeah, okay. It's not sticky, it's quite moisturizing actually, so I guess you could pick up some of the lip glosses too, they're quite nice.
Purchase your tracks today.
Will be my daughter if you're hearing that. And this is the completed look using Sunkissed eyes. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever used Sunkissed products. So yeah, I like it. Anyway guys, this brings me to the end of this video, Plain in Makeup, the Sunkissed edition. I hope you enjoyed. If you have not subscribed, now would be a wonderful time.